Picture this. A stranger knocks on your door and says, "You owe me $600 from years ago." Would you just pull out your wallet? Of course not. You would ask, "Who are you? Where is the receipt? And why do I owe you?" That is the heart of disputing a collection. You are not being difficult. You are asking for proof. Here's what you'll learn in today's class: how to demand proof of your debt, identify errors that could delete collections, file disputes with credit bureaus effectively, escalate disputes for better results, protect your credit from invalid claims. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Date of first delinquency. The first date the account became late and was never brought current again. Rubber stamped. When something seems approved without a real review. Now let's jump in. Your first move is a debt validation request. That means you ask the collector to prove the debt is real, the amount is correct, and they have the legal right to collect it. Think of it like asking for a grocery receipt before paying for a cart you do not remember buying. Many old or resold debts have messy paperwork. If they cannot validate it, that matters. Collections can be passed around like a used car. One company sells it, another buys it, then another tries to collect. Every handoff needs records. The collector should be able to show the chain of ownership, the exact balance, and account details that match you. If the paperwork is missing or sloppy, the credit report may be telling a story that is not complete. Next, look at the collection trade line. A trade line is the account entry on your credit report. Treat it like a school report card. If the teacher marked the wrong grade, wrong class, or wrong date, you would not ignore it. Watch for a wrong date of first delinquency, a balance that does not match, or the same debt showing under both the original creditor and the collector in a way that makes your risk look worse. One tiny date can change the whole story. The date of first delinquency means the first time the account went bad and was never brought current again. Think of it like the expiration date on milk. A collector should not get to slap on a fresh date and make an old account look new. If the date is wrong, dispute it clearly. Now, file the dispute with each credit bureau that shows the collection. The three big bureaus are Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. Do not assume one dispute fixes all three. Each bureau keeps its own file, like 3 different phone plans with 3 different bills. Be specific. Say what is wrong, attach proof if you have it, and ask for correction or deletion if the account cannot be verified. Here is where many people stop too early. If the bureau says, "verified," do not just accept it like a locked door. Ask for the method of verification. That means, tell me how you checked this. Who did you contact? What records did they review? It is like a restaurant saying your recipe is correct, but refusing to show the ingredients. Sometimes a dispute feels rubber-stamped. That means it looks like nobody really checked the details. If that happens, you can escalate with a CFPB complaint. The CFPB is a government agency that takes consumer finance complaints. Keep it calm. Keep it factual. You are not yelling. You are saying, "Here is the error, here is my proof, and here is why the answer did not address the problem."